Hello, Mr. Batson.
Miss Ava Jorman. Hello, dollface. You're looking lovely this fine day.
Let's concentrate on you now, shall we, Andrew?
I love it when you say my name like that.
You shouldn't be so candid in your present condition.
Any more info on this thing inside of me?
It's definitely foreign in nature. Its properties are those I've never seen before.
I just don't get how it got there.
I have no idea. I need more time to analyze the data.
Doc, why is it moving?
My best hypothesis is that the object is moving towards your heart.
Ah, shit.
At this rate, you have 48 hours until it reaches its destination. You must be in the lab first thing Monday morning for an emergency extraction.
I'll be there.
Hey! Quit cyber chatting!
Gotta go.
Wait,
I gotta go, Doc.
I have more information.
I can't. We're onto something big here.
It's about the vial of blood.
Eagleheart's gonna meet us at the bike path. We need to find Falkingham. He knows more than he told us, and we need that information. So grab some liquor and a video camera. We're going back to Trash Mountain. Hi, welcome back to Nature Show. I'm Jarrod, and as always, my producer and cameraman, Andy Batson. We are back near the Trash Mountain, where we are once again looking for a transient fellow named Falkingham. Wait!
What? Why did we stop?
This is Falkingham country.
You've got a memory. Falkingham. 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 Falkingham.
Show thyself!
Falkingham. Falkingham. Falkingham.
Why are you just saying your own name?
Blinded me!
With science.
Get you, Falkingham! Wizard strike! You cut that out?
No more games. I want answers. What have you seen? Tell us the truth.
Monsters.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
They're a horrible abomination. A corporation run by a family of sadistic and fascist, pagan, Scandinavian cult members, using fables and prophecies of old to create an army of powerful warriors to take over the world.
Why? What possesses them?
I knew it would come to this.
I've heard the stories about you.
That happened a long time ago, to a different man.
Holy shit, you killed your family.
I may not have pulled the trigger, but I surely signed their death warrants. It was the fall of '88. I was stumping for Dukakis in a desperate attempt to steal the White House back from the philandering Republicans. It was during this campaign that I met a beautiful young woman whom I immediately began a torrid love affair. It lasted a mere 2 weeks. I broke it off. But that didn't stop her. She began to stalk me, harass my children, taunt my wife, blah, 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 they're dead. Anything else you'd like to know?
What was her name?
Helga. Helga Jorman.
Pump the brakes, Effingham. We weren't accusing you of anything. There's some crazy shit going down, and we just want to know if we could trust you.
I just want to be left alone.
Those are your friends out there. You know who took them, and we know where to find them. You can't just sit up on Trash Mountain, waiting your days away, waiting to die. Well, I'm done hiding. I'm going to expose the truth of this heinous crime. Gotta show the world that this injustice has got to stop. Truth. We just want to know if you will come and fight by our side.
What's in it for me?
I'll buy you a six-pack.
Deal.
The situation's worse than we believed. The subject needs to be taken out before he burns everyone.
All of them apprehended and debriefed immediately. Tag him as backup.
Affirmative.
Here you go, he's all yours.
Excellent. As per our arrangement, your debt to our family has been neutralized.
We still serve Jorgen Mander.
Of course you do.
Jorgen Mander.
Now's our chance.
I'm going to kick their asses.
No, Eagleheart. You wait, hold back, wait for my signal. Andrew, follow me down a trail filled with wilderness, wonder, and mystery.
Nice tagline.
How's it sound over there?
Brewing up a real shit sandwich over here, bud.
Ah, fuck it. Let's do this.
Hi, I'm Jarrod. This is Nature Show. And I want to know what the hell's going on around here.
What is this?
You are followed.
Got him! Lizard strike! It's okay!
You have to explain yourself. Why are you kidnapping people out of their tents?
You mean this riffraff? Some might consider this a civic duty. We're cleaning up this town of this unsavory element.
These are people. You can't just do whatever you want. You operate in the shadows, and therefore your heart is filled with darkness. And you must be vanquished.
Dispatch them after we have gone.
Gladly.
You don't understand. I've been drinking blood that I found in a vial at the bottom of the Brownfield Bog.
You're crazy, man.
And I'm getting real tired of your shit.
What are you gonna do? I'm gonna explode you, dude! Ah! Where am I? Where's Jarrod? Who are you? You bastards!
For the moment, we are not concerned with your friend. We have plans for you, and we aim to see them through.
What are you talking about? Let me go!
We will make you strong, and in the eyes of our family, you will be just to be our captain and lead a dark army across this land in a cosmic campaign of theft, rape, and murder.
Fuck that shit! You went way too deep. I can understand the captain and dark army, but rape? Murder? Dipshit!
Nobody knows the trouble I see. Fuck you.
That's to be expected, Mr. Anderson. What with me stopping you from spontaneously combusting near a major port city's sewage chemical treatment facility. But then again, that's what you had in mind the whole time, isn't it?
I was getting to the truth.
You were going about it completely wrong.
Well, you sir sound like an asshole that doesn't know what he's talking about. I tracked the C.H.U.Ds to the thugs to the cult. And I was gonna put a stop to all this madness until some motherfucker had to stop me, didn't he?
We want to know what you know, Jarrod. Tell us a story.
Let me ask you a question.
Proceed.
Have you ever seen Nature Show?
Nature Show with these dudes in the 30s, out in the woods with the critters and the birdies, mysteries, birds and bees, wizards, thugs, tomfoolery, homeless bums gone and lost it all, evil drone attacks, fucking fireballs, your agent's impatient, Copland was raging, so give it up for your two favorite Caucasians. Nature Show.
Nature Show.
Damn moose blood drugs with the powers unknown. Jorgen man is sitting on his throne. This nature's unnatural, but the story is factual. My boys keep it cool and they keeping it classical. Holy mackerel, what a situation. But it makes for good footage, so they rise to the occasion. So fill your whiskey drink, pack your bong, sit back, relax, and put Nature Show on, and I'm gone.